If I had to describe Linda in one word, it would be pioneer.
Selfless.
Leader.
In a word, tenacious.
Very, very loyal.
If you know her, you love her.
My mom is special.
My mom is amazing.
Indeed beloved and highly regarded as an icon in the field of obstetrics and gynecology, Dr. Linda Parenti has earned her reputation as the 2025 Summa Health Distinguished Physician.
I had the best job ever. I got to deliver babies. I got to go to bed at night with a smile on my face because I knew I had done my very best for my patients, and it made me happy. I loved it.
Born and raised in Akron, Ohio, Dr. Parenti earned her medical degree from the Ohio State University College of Medicine. In 1976, she made history as the first female physician to graduate from the OBGYN residency at Akron City Hospital.
I've been called a trailblazer. I was going to go out there and do my best and show people that I could do just as well as anybody else. And if that made me somebody to look up to, great. I'm good with that.
For the next nearly 40 years, she played a pivotal role in shaping the future of OBGYN at Summa and beyond.
You know, Linda was known for her clinical excellence, her ability to be a great teacher, her commitment to the community, and finally, her commitment to the mission of Summa Health. She served in the adolescent clinic at Akron Children's. She also volunteered at Planned Parenthood in the Akron Rape Crisis Center. She also stepped up and was the interim chair of OBGYN department at Summa Health multiple times when there were gaps in leadership. Linda served as a member of the Summa Health Foundation board for many, many years and is now an emeritus member.
The distinguished physician is selected by their peers who come together and consider who they think really embodies all that it means to be an excellent physician. I serve on that selection committee, and she excelled in her patient care, her surgical skills, and her teaching.
I would describe Dr. Parenti as an advocate for her patients. She was dedicated to them. They absolutely adored her, and she approached even the very serious situations with caring and compassion.
She entered into a field of medicine in which there were almost no female providers. And now our field is predominantly women, and it's because of pioneers like Dr. Parenti.
She really blazed a path for many of us women in medicine. We all could see ourselves in her, and she showed all of us that we do have a place here, we do all belong here.
As a revered educator, Dr. Parenti was honored at Northeast Ohio Medical University. At Summa Health and throughout the community, her lessons touched over 1,000 students.
My legacy as a physician was all those students, residents, interns who hopefully learned something from me. If they were women, they learned that a woman could do any darn thing she wanted to. And if they were men, they learned that women can do any darn thing that they want to because they're women.
So I first met Dr. Parenti when I started OBGYN residency, and she showed appreciation for the work that the residents did for her. After you assisted her on like a surgery, she actually thanked you. She may have said I did a great job too, but
teaching my residents was like having a whole nother bunch of children. They're my kids too, and I'm proud of them. That's my legacy.
Throughout her career, Dr. Parenti ran a successful OBGYN practice and delivered close to 5,000 babies.
That woman has a heart of gold, I mean truly, and she is the most compassionate, caring person. See, it'll make me get emotional because, you know, she has her patient's best interest at heart for sure, and that's how it always was.
I think one of the first things that strikes you about Dr. Parenti is her humor. And I remember a couple of her jokes from residency, but I'm not going to repeat them here.
You know, every time I see Linda, I smile just because of her attitude. And she nicknamed me Cliffy many years ago, and no matter what the setting is, she always shouts across the room, "Hey, Cliffy."
The legend is that when she came here and joined the medical staff, there was no female locker room to change into your scrubs for your cases.
So she would go in there and change with her male colleagues, and they were all like, "Linda, what are you doing?"
I said, "Guys, you're OBGYNs. You've seen naked women. If it bugs you, don't look. I'm not going to look at you because I got no interest." And within about 6 weeks, they had found a place to build a small but functional locker room for me.
An interesting story about Dr. Parenti, in a way, she kind of introduced me to my wife because my mother-in-law struggled for years with infertility. And it wasn't until she met Dr. Parenti, and Dr. Parenti said, "You should consider adoption." And that's what my mother-in-law did. And she adopted my future wife, and here we are.
Beyond her extraordinary medical career, Dr. Parenti's greatest joy is her family, her late husband Tom, their 2 children, and 2 grandchildren.
Tom Pinto was the perfect partner for me. He was the best husband, partner, father to our kids. I couldn't have asked for a better man. I miss him every day. My kids are the most wonderful children.
I was actually adopted by my mom, who delivered me. And I was chosen. So, there's that extra layer of, I love you, but it's also, I love you because you picked me. And it's created a real bond between us.
My mom has inspired me in so many ways. I grew up never ever thinking that I couldn't do something because I was a woman. I grew up knowing that I was loved. As a grandmother, my mom is phenomenal. She is nurturing and kind and spoils them and just is their cheerleader and their champion all the time.
Not surprising, any friend of Dr. Parenti is a friend for life.
She's probably the brightest person I have ever known, and she also is the most multi-talented person I know. She crochets beautifully. She does counted cross stitch beautifully. She even made her daughter's first communion dress and the shirt that her son wore for his first communion. I mean, there were many times when we would just let her hair down and laugh and laugh and laugh, and Linda would say the most outrageous things. She also has a mouth like a sailor when she's not watching herself. And it was wonderful because now Linda and I can look back over 60 years of experiences. And that is a really strong bond.
For all these qualities and a lifetime of groundbreaking achievement in the field of obstetrics and gynecology, we honor Dr. Linda Parenti with the 2025 Summa Health Distinguished Physician Award.
When the person that you're helping says, "Thank you, doctor, you've really helped me," it doesn't get any better than that. And just knowing that I made a difference for somebody, like I said, it was the best job ever. It feels great.
Congratulations, Linda.
Our department is forever grateful.
Congratulations.
On behalf of all your residents, thank you and congratulations.
Congratulations, Linda.
Congratulations.
Mom, I love you so much.
And Mom, just so you know, Dad is so proud of you. He was always so proud of you, and I know he's with us tonight. He's raising a glass for you.
Congratulations, Dr. Parenti.